Yeah. But 1 month 500 sefa kudwaso. Uko yense sanka. Nobody wants a miser. Nobody. Ense sanka. Osense sanka. I say ense sanka say uko yen na me calculation. Me year calculation me hunu say say kan 690 Ghana. Ti 90 Ghana ntina weni abreza. Come on. Indeed, you are 20. If we are seeing here. Matthew 18, think the 7th verse. Woe unto the world because of offenses. The offense will come, but the enemy is indeed you are 20. If we are seeing here. If we are seeing here, indeed you are 12. Yeah, indeed you are 20. We are seeing here. People are offended, so offended. Uti will be no your offense one day kasa. Uti me say this is, and I want to ask, how can you pray in the spirit, walk in the spirit, live in the spirit, and manifest the spirit when you are living in offense? Catch it, this atadi, and anke was washe, bakuno a washe no. It doesn't fuel the occasion and the how? Why should it be? It will nebuafu and the assured cramenko. Oh, example. Because example no cry refuse. Yeah. Why should it be? It will shine man and create big mountains.